Didn't know a room could shift before a word was said. Like air could change its temperature just 'cause you stepped in. There's something in the way you are. You don't reach, you align, and everything I thought I held starts reorganizing mine. You don't chase, you don't pull, but somehow I move like gravity changed, and I'm learning you on the other side of you. There's nowhere to pretend. You don't say a thing, but you see where I've been, and I feel it. Every gap I hide, every place I've blurred, you bring it into light on the other side of you. I either rise or I fall, 'cause you don't hold me up, you reveal it all. You don't fight, you don't force, you just stay in place. And the way you don't collapse makes me face my shame. You don't need to prove a thing, it's the loudest part, 'cause everything I built around starts speaking from the cracks. You don't ask, you don't take, but something in me wakes, like I've been half asleep and you're the weight I can't fake. On the other side of you, there's nowhere to perform. You don't raise your voice, but you rewrite the norm, and I feel it every time I stall, every time I hide. You don't move at all on the other side of you. There's a line I can't blur. I either meet your level or I lose you as you were, or I lose you as you were. You were never mine to keep, you were something I could meet, but meeting you meant seeing me in ways I couldn't cheat. If I step back, if I fall, it won't be you at all. It'll be the space you held that I couldn't stand to call on the other side of you. There's a mirror without sound, no distortion, no disguise, just truth laid on the ground. And I know it, even if I turn away, you don't follow, you don't stay, you just start. And that's what changes everything.